Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Tashari and I am the credit queen of Atlanta. So if you like what you hear and see in this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It's so simple, just like and subscribe. So a little bit about me, I just started my own credit repair company. It's called Credit Queen Atlanta. And you can check out the website at www.creditqueenatlanta.com, and also follow us on Instagram at _creditqueenatlanta. If you need help raising your credit, I'm the one to call. Like, I will get you straight. I will raise your credit and you'll take off. Like, you're gonna take off. But anyways, it's always good to know the basics about credit repair, your credit score, and things like that. So let's get to the basics. What in the world is a credit score and why is it so important? Come here, let me tell you a secret. Shh. So, a credit score is a number generated by a mathematical formula that is meant to predict credit worthiness. Credit scores can range from 300 to 850. The higher the score, the better. If you have a low credit score and you do manage to get approved for credit, then your interest rate will be much higher than somebody with good credit who borrow money. So what affects your credit score? Number one, your payment history is 35% of your score. That includes on-time payments versus delinquencies with more weight on the last 24 months. Number two is the amount owed, which is 30% of your credit score, and it's the percentage of credit limits available. Number three, at 15%, is your length of credit. It's pretty much self-explanatory. It's how long you've had the account. Coming in at number four, which is 10% of your credit score, is your new credit, which includes the number of inquiries and new accounts opened in the last 12 to 18 months. Number five, which equals 10% as well, is your type of credit used. It includes installment loans versus revolving. There are plenty of ways you can help raise your score. Number one, pay all of your bills on time, every time. So this includes your utility bills, your mortgage and auto payments, and all of your revolving credit lines like your credit cards. Number two, never charge more than 30% of your available balance on any of your credit cards. Banks like to see a nice record of on-time payments and several credit cards that are not maxed out. If you're carrying high balances on your credit cards, then paying them down below 30% is priority. Here, I have another secret. So the key is to run only your utility bills on your credit card each month and then pay the balance in full by the due date. If you have a bad habit, please leave your credit cards at home in a safe place like your drawer or a safe. But wait, you also want to keep your accounts open as long as possible. Even if you are no longer charging the card, just simply make small purchases and then pay it off. How long each of your accounts have been active is a major factor in your credit score. And remember, this all takes time. Following all these steps consistently over a period of time will increase your credit score. If you need help, don't hesitate to go to our website and fill out an application for a free consultation and credit analysis. I'm here to help you. We can all win, period. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out the website at www.creditqueenatlanta.com and Instagram at _creditqueenatlanta. Thank you.